Happy Father's Day to all fathers. We have here a special champion Father's Day breakfast here. Check it out, a nice big platter, authentic leaf, Sahari leaf. Here goes. Yes, we have here curry mango, pumpkin, hot pepper sauce, mixer bhaji, chana aloo, shatine, bori, bus up shot, coffee to wash it down, and a bag of Parsad on the side. Talk now. Let's see how this goes. I love this shatine. Chana aloo. Mango. Everything very tasty. Going on good, going on good. Good food, good food. Coffee to wash it down. Must taste the Parsad. Sweet and nice. Fluffy. Tasty nice. But not good. No coffee. Yes, good food, good food.